Hi, hello, 10th class students. Today's mathematics chapter 11 trigonometry. On this trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. You know already about complementary angles. The sum of two angles is equals to 90 degrees. Then we call those two angles are in complementary angles. Okay. Now you see now how to find the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Now I am going to explain you on this in this video. First of all, take one right angle triangle. In this ABC are the vertices of this triangle. Here you see in a right angle triangle, angle B is equals to 90 degrees. Angle B is equals to 90 degrees. Angle B is equals to 90 degrees. Then we can say that the sum of other two angles must be 90 degrees. The sum of other two angles must be this one plus this one is equals to 90 degrees. Why? Because the sum of three angles in a triangle is equals to 180 degrees. 180 minus this 90, we can say that remaining 90 degrees means the sum of these two angles must be 90 degrees. So that angle A plus angle C is equals to 90 degrees. We can say that angle A and angle C are complementary angles. When two angles are equal to 90 degrees, the sum of two angles equal to 90 degrees, then we can say those two angles are called angle A and angle C are complementary angles. Now let us assume that angle A is equals to x. Let us we consider this one as a x. Then angle A is equals to x. For an angle x, opposite side of this thing is BC. Okay, opposite side to this x is BC. Okay, next adjacent side to this x is AB. Hypotenuse to this x angle is AC. Okay, now sin x is equals to trigonometry. Now I am taking a trigonometric ratio. The first one is sin x. Sin x is equals to opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is BC, hypotenuse is AC. So that BC by AC we write in this place. Okay, next one is cos x. Cos x is equals to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side means AB by already we know about hypotenuse is AC. Okay, next trigonometric ratio is tan. Tan x is equals to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is here BC, adjacent side AB. Okay, next trigonometric ratio is cosec x. Cosec x is equals to it is the inverse or multiple inverse or reciprocal of sin x, means hypotenuse by opposite side. That is equals to hypotenuse AC, opposite side BC. Next one is sec x. That is equals to, it is also reciprocal of cos x, means hypotenuse by adjacent side. That is equals to AC by AB. AC by AB. The next one is cot x. It is also called as cotangent x. Cot x is the multiple inverse of tan x. So that we can write this one as adjacent side by opposite side. That is equals to AB by BC. Okay. Now already finishing off sin x, cos x, tan x, cosec x and sec x, cot x values. Okay. Ratios of these things. Now for an angle. Now I am going to write for an angle. See here. For an angle, this thing, angle C. But how to find this angle C? Already we know about. What is that one? Angle A plus angle C is equals to 90 degrees. Angle A plus angle C is equals to 90 degrees. Angle A plus angle C is equals to 90 degrees. Angle A means x plus angle C is equals to 90 degrees. Angle C means 90 minus x. Now for an angle C means for an angle 90 minus x. Now we take for an angle 90 minus x. On this opposite side and adjacent side and hypotenuse. Now we should write these things. What is the opposite side to this 90 minus x? AB is the opposite side. Adjacent side means this one, BC. Hypotenuse means AC. Now we write trigonometric ratios of 90 minus x. Angle. Sin 90 minus x. Sin 90 minus x is equals to opposite side by hypotenuse. That is equals to opposite side AB by AC. Hypotenuse. Okay. Next cos 90 minus x. That is equals to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is BC by hypotenuse AC. Next tan 90 minus x. That is equals to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side means AB. Adjacent side BC. AB by BC. Next cosec 90 minus x. That is equals to cosec 90 minus x means it is the multiple inverse of this thing, reciprocal of, means hypotenuse by opposite side. That is equals to AC by AB. Sec 90 minus x is equals to hypotenuse by adjacent side. That is equals to AC by BC. Next, cot 90 minus x is equals to cot 90 minus x is equals to adjacent side by opposite side. It is the multiple inverse of this thing, adjacent side by BC by AB. Now we compare the ratios of x and 90 minus x from the above values. Dini 90 minus x ni తర్వాత sin x ని రెండింటిని కంపేర్ చేసినట్టయితే ఫస్ట్ sin 90 minus x ఇక్కడ చూడండి sin 90 minus x అంటే AB by AC ఉంది. ఇక్కడ cos x లో ఎక్కడ ఉంది AB by AC ఉంది. అంటే sin 90 minus x is equals to AB by AC ఉంటే సేమ్ థింగ్ cos x లో కూడా ఉంది. ఓకేనా? cos x లో కూడా అలానే ఉంది. Therefore sin 90 minus x is equals to cos x. ఇది ఫార్ములా అన్నమాట. cos x ఇది చాలా మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. సేమ్ థింగ్ cos 90 minus x is equals to cos 90 minus x is equals to BC by AC. BC by AC. BC by AC దేనికి ఉంది? sin x కు ఉంది. Okay, so that we write here sin x. Okay, means therefore cos 90 minus x is equals to sin x. Okay, this is the second one, this is the first, this is the second one. It is the, these formulas also at most important, complementary angles formulas means. Okay, the third one, now you compare this one, tan 90 minus x. Tan 90 minus x is equals to tan 90 minus x AB by BC. Here AB by BC, where is it? Here it is there, cot x. Okay, therefore tan 90 minus x is equals to cot x. This is the third formula. Fourth one, cosec 90 minus x. Now we compare the cosec 90 minus x. Cosec 90 minus x is equals to AC by AB. AC by AB. AC by AB is there in this place, sec x. It is equals to sec x. Therefore cosec 90 minus x is equals to sec x. Okay, this is the fourth one. See here, next one, the next formula is there. What is that one? Sec 90 minus x is equals to AC by BC. AC by BC means is sec 90 minus x. AC by BC. AC by BC is there in this place. Cosec x. It is equals to cosec x. Okay. Therefore, means this is the fifth formula. Sec 90 minus x is equals to AC by BC, that is equals to AC by BC, already we wrote this one. AC by BC means cosec x. Okay. Next one, cot 90 minus x is equals to BC by AB. BC by AB is there in this place. It is equals to tan x. Okay. So that now we write these things in this place. Cot 90 minus x is equals to BC by AB. That is equals to tan x. So that this is the sixth formula. Cot 90 minus x is equals to tan x. Okay. See here, formula first one is sin 90 minus x is equals to cos x. Cos 90 minus x is equals to sin x. Tan 90 minus x is equals to cot x. Cosec 90 minus x is equals to sec x. Sec 90 minus x is equals to cosec x. Cot 90 minus x is equals to tan x. ఓకే, ఈ 6 ఫార్ములాస్తో మనకు నెక్స్ట్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్లో ఉన్నటువంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అన్ని కూడా దీంతో ఈ ఫార్ములాస్ మీద బేస్ చేసుకుని కొన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అడుగుతూ ఉంటాడు. అలాగే ఇవే కాకుండా 90 ప్లస్ ఎక్స్లు, తర్వాత 180 మైనస్ ఎక్స్లు, 180 ప్లస్ ఎక్స్లు, 360 మైనస్ 360 ప్లస్లు, 270 మైనస్ తీటా, 270 ప్లస్ ఎక్స్లు, ఇలాంటి వాటన్నిటిని కూడా నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో తెలుసుకుందాం. ఈ వీడియోస్ని మన శ్రీ భాస్కర్ అకాడమీ ఛానల్ ద్వారా సెండ్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. దీన్ని 1-2 సార్లు 2 టైమ్స్ కానీ 3 టైమ్స్ కానీ ఒకసారి లేదా 1 టైం కానీ మీరు మంచిగా వాచ్ చేసినట్టయితే మీకు ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రిక్ రేషియోస్ ఆఫ్ కాంప్లిమెంటరీ యాంగిల్స్ ఈజీగా అర్థమవుతుంది. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.